Hi, hello, welcome to Maths Guru channel. See next exercise. I'm going to explain first question. A path 2.5 meter wide is running around a square field whose side is 45 meter. Determine the area of the path. Okay, see here square field is given, square shape. That side of the square is 45 meters. Determine the area of the path we need to find out. See directly here I am going to explain small question only this one. See here this is a square field. Okay, this middle whatever this line space is there, that we can call path. Okay, that path of the void means breadth is given 2.5, here 2.5. okay, we should take means here here to here only that value, and again here to here only that value. Path wide 2.5, 2.5. Total length of the side of the square is 50 meters. Okay, now see area of the path we want to find out. How you can get? See this area only we want to find out. But how you can get outer square, area of the outer square, and you can subtract area of the inner square. Okay, so better you will get the area of the path. Okay, see area of the path is equal to area of outer figure means big square, full square. Okay, area of the outer figure minus area of inner figure. See area of the inner figure, this is. Okay, now area of the outer figure, area of the square is side into side, right? So area of the outer figure means side into side means a side of the outer figure 50. So 50 into 50 minus area of the inner figure. If you want, you can take inner square side into side. First we should know what is the side of the inner square, that is 45. How you can get 45? From total length of the side of the square 50 meters, you can subtract 2.5 plus 2.5. 2.5, 2.5, 5. 50 minus 5, 45 meters. You will get the side of the inner square. Okay, so 45 into 45. Now if you multiply, you will get 2500. Now minus 45, 45, if you multiply, you will get 2025. Now you can subtract, you will get 475. If you want how to do the subtraction, few students they don't know, no? Sometimes they will get confused, so I am showing how you can get. You can take borrow from here. So 10 minus 5, 5. Here it will becomes 9. 9 minus 2, 7. Okay, now it will becomes 4. Okay, now 24. 24 minus 24. Okay, so 475 meter square. Here area means we should write compulsory units meter square. Why? Because here in meters only they have given the values, so we should write square meter or meter to square. Okay, this is the first question. Now coming to the second question, see the central hall of a school is 18 meters long means length and 12.5 meter wide means breadth. A carpet is to be laid on the floor, leaving a strip 50 centimeter wide, okay, near the walls. Okay, uncovered, that uncovered path is there now. Find the area of the carpet and also the uncovered portion. Area of the carpet we need to find out, and we need to find out uncovered portion also. See, suppose length of the hall I am taken big rectangle. This is the length of the hall in the shape of rectangle. Okay, in the shape of rectangle it is there, but one carpet is laid inside the hall. This is the carpet which is also in the shape of the rectangle only, no? Carpet, yes. How they laid that carpet? Here they space given for the sides. Near the sides they have given the space, they are not covered with carpet, so this is the empty which is not covered by the carpet. This is the empty space which is not covered by the carpet. Now what we have to find out? We have to find out the area of the carpet, and we we have to find out the area of this uncovered portion. Area of the uncovered portion. This area of the uncovered portion, how you can get? Area of the outer figure means rectangle shape. Area of the rectangle, outer rectangle, minus area of the inner rectangle. Okay, then you will get the area of the uncovered path. Area of the uncovered portion. Okay, very simple. See, total length of the rectangle 18 meters given, and total breadth of the rectangle, outer rectangle 12.5 meters given. Okay, now you can consider as this is L1, this is B1. This is L1, this is B1. Now one more value is also given, that path 50 centimeters given. 50 centimeters given. The length of the strip here, length of the strip 50 centimeters given. That 50 centimeter you can convert into meters. Actually we know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, right? You can divide by 2. So half meter is equal to 2 ones are 250s, so 50 centimeters. Okay, so 50 centimeter value in terms of meters, 1 by 2 meters means half meter we can call. Okay, this is half meter, this is half meter. Okay, now see, the length of the hall 18 meters, breadth of the hall 12.5 meters, width of the strip 50 centimeter. I converted into meters, half meter it will. So length of the inner rectangle, we don't know length of the this inner rectangle means length of the carpet. This is length of the inner rectangle, we don't know, and breadth of the inner rectangle we don't know. Now we need to find out. How you can get? From the total length you can subtract this half meter, this side half meter, here to here and here to here. If you subtract, you will get length from here to here, means length of the inner rectangle you will get. Okay, let us take that is L2 from here to here. How you can get? 18 minus half meter, this is half meter, you should add and subtract from the 18. So half meter, this side half meter, this side half meter, you can subtract. So you will get 18 minus half plus half 1 full. Okay, so 18 minus 1 17 meters. So length of the inner rectangle 17 meters. Okay, that is L2. Now also you can find the breadth also. No, inner rectangle breadth we don't know, that is carpet breadth. Yes, that here to here only we need to find out. How you can get? From total breadth you can subtract half plus half, the same model. The breadth of the inner rectangle 12.5, from total length of the breadth of the rectangle we can subtract this portion. Okay, so you will get the 11.5 meters. This is here to here only. This breadth you can take as B2, 11.5 meters. Okay, now we need to find out the area of the strip. No, see this area of the uncovered path, that is area of the strip. Okay, so area of the outer figure minus area of the inner figure. From total area you can subtract this small rectangle area, then you will get the uncovered portion area, that we can call strip. Okay, so area of the outer figure L1 B1, formula first you should write L2 B2 inner. So values I took already, we got this also. So here 18 meters given. No? So L1 is 18 into B1 is 12.5 minus L2 is 17 we got, and B2 breadth 11.5 we got. Now you can multiply. See here 125 means decimal you can take, you can remove and you can do the multiplication, then you'll get the 2250. So after one digit we have decimal point. So in answer also after one digit you can take the decimal point. It will becomes 225. 225 area of the outer figure minus area of the inner figure. This also you can do the multiplication. See here I did 115, okay, into 17. If you do, you will get 195.5. Here decimal point also we can consider in answer. So from this you can subtract this value. So you will get 29.5 meter square. Area, no, area of the uncovered region. See 225.0, 195.5. You can take the borrow. So 10 minus 5, 5. It will becomes 4. Again take the borrow. 14. 14 minus 5, 19. It will becomes 1, means 21. From 21 you can subtract 19 directly. You will get the 2. So 29.5 you will get. Okay, area of the uncovered region or area of the strip 29.5 meter square. Now also we got it area of the carpet, means area of the inner rectangle only. Now that is area of the carpet. That area of the carpet what we have, that is only the area 195.5 meter square. I hope you understood. Thank you.